Namaskar. Welcome to Conversations with Rakesh. There was a very nice discussion that happened in my classroom, and today's video is a summary of that discussion. In the last 15 plus years after I left the corporate, and I've been teaching communication topics in all kinds of companies and colleges all around the country, one particular session, I give some time for people to reflect on the question that why are you so scared of communication? What's the root cause? And I make them think, I make them visualize the fears that they face, and I make them talk about those fears. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about 4 big fears that all of us face if we are afraid of communication in front of audiences. And communication in front of audiences doesn't mean standing up in front of large audiences. It could be a meeting with your boss, a client, a meeting room, a Google call, Zoom call, office where you're walking in the cafeteria and there are people looking at you. It could be a room you're entering. It could be a conversation, a professional setting. It could be meeting people outside the office in a social setting. So communication is a huge subject, but there are 4 fears that I've started to see stand out in many of us, because of which we don't communicate very effectively. So I'm going to tell you these 4 fears that cause us to communicate badly. And they are as follows. And I'm going to tell you in an order which is least to the most. Ready? The first fear which I've seen in my learners is the fear of being humiliated in front of audiences. कि यार इज्जत खराब हो गई. And I'll tell you my own story. One of the reasons I became a little bit low on confidence in communication was I think it was in college. There was some debating competition and I thought कि मैं तो जाके जीत के आऊँगा because I'm God's gift to mankind, and I was overconfident, and I think I probably was just going in front of the stage और थोड़ी सी गलती हो गई. I forgot, I fumbled, and there were some people in the front and they started giggling, laughing, and that moment literally I think I lost my confidence and I came back and I felt so bad कि यार आज तो बेइज्जती हो गई, मेरी इज्जत खराब हो गई. That laughter, that humiliation, and I've seen this in my learners, not just in colleges but in the corporate world. Many times we want to say something and we say it, and some people giggle, some people comment, and that feeling that somebody is giggling and laughing at us causes us to feel embarrassed, ashamed of ourselves sometimes, and we feel very humiliated. And this is one of the causes that next time we want to say something, we'll be like, yaar chhod yaar, kya karna, chup rehte hain. So the fear number 1, level 1, which is very common in my learners and I've seen coming out very commonly, is the fear of being humiliated in front of people. कि यार बेइज्जती हो गई, आज तो नाक कट गई. We have some very strange ways to say these things. मेरी नाक कट गई. Very melodramatic, but yeah, it is a very humiliating, painful experience and very disgusting. So level 1 fear of being humiliated in front of audiences. The next one, we communicate sometimes to ask something from the other person. It could be a job interview, it could be a promotion, it could be a request कि यार मेरे को छुट्टी दे दो. It could be something else. It could be a social setting. कुछ किसी से मांगना पड़ता है. And we speak, right? It's a persuasive communication. थोड़ा सा समझाना पड़ता है कई बार. Entrepreneurship pitching is a very, asking कि यार पैसे दो, कंपनी बढ़ानी है. मैं तो एक CEO हूँ, आजकल यही काम करता हूँ मैं. So मान लो हमने communication किया, we prepared, and the other person said no. And that feeling is devastating. So this second level 2 fear that causes us to communicate and causes us to be afraid of communication is the fear of not getting what we want, which is the fear of rejection, the fear of losing out. कोई ना बोल देगा. और ना सुनना is not an easy thing. And this is one problem many of us have. क्योंकि हम लोगों ने कभी practice ही नहीं करी है. And this ability to ask and hear no is a rare skill. Please develop it. And because we don't like rejections, we sometimes feel कि मैं communicate अच्छा नहीं करता हूँ, उसकी वजह से communication becomes a problem. and we change. Job interviews, such a big reason for us to feel bad, that we work very hard, marks bhi अच्छे हैं, resume stellar है, interview में गए and something happens and we get a letter that your candidature doesn't fit, and we feel कि हमारी गलती है. That rejection causes self-doubt, and then we go deeper and deeper into this hole where communication and our confidence is impacted. So the second level is fear of rejection, and that causes us not to communicate very effectively. Third, this is again, it came out in some corporate classes, and the sentence somebody said कि sir मैं तो पूछता ही नहीं हूँ क्योंकि मैं पूछूंगा तो फिर मेरे को ही गले में घंटी बांध देंगे. And that is such a powerful insight that many of us want to say, want to raise our voice, want to say कि ये नहीं करो, पर the corporate world and sometimes the system हमें ही punishment दे देता है. So the fear of being punished because I spoke something, and the reprimand that comes after that, and the isolation. कई बार लोगों को isolate कर देते हैं, सारी society एक तरफ, and this person, poor fellow, because मैंने कुछ बोला, I raised my voice against something that should not be done, is a devastating feeling. So the fear of being reprimanded, punished, and isolated is the third fear that causes many of us to communicate very poorly and also decide कि हम बात ही नहीं करेंगे, जो करना है कर लो. And that is true, and I think we should reflect on it. So the fear of reprimand. The fourth and the final. So level 1 was the fear of humiliation. Level 2 is the fear of rejection. Level 3 is the fear of being reprimanded, punished. Last one is my biggest insight of teaching communication, and I can't tell you how much this is common in, आप भले कितने भी CEO चाहे student हो, ये this fear is the level 4, which is the highest fear that causes many of us to not communicate properly and keep quiet and communicate in a very different way. And that fourth fear is, it happened in a classroom. I was teaching something and we were practicing कि ऐसा बोलो, ऐसा लिखो, फिर बोलो. And once learner said कि sir मैं ऐसा बोलूँगा तो don't you think audience will think I'm arrogant? And I was like, हैं? ये कहाँ से fear आ गया? But this is a valid fear. We don't like when our audiences judge us in the way we don't like it. They judge us that we are maybe arrogant. Maybe they judge us that we are not competent, and there could be all kinds of judgment. Sometimes, and this is true, that many people are worried that just because I say something, somebody might say कि मैं बहुत बोलता हूँ, बहुत arrogant हूँ, बहुत attitude है मेरे में. And this is wrong. But this fear of being misjudged is a very big fear. It is also called social anxiety, but I'm connecting it to the day-to-day corporate life. So the fourth fear, I think, is the highest. That many people feel that if I say something and if I'm misjudged, and most common misjudgment is that I don't want to be misjudged as an arrogant, bad person or an incompetent person. And that's why many people say कि यार बात ही नहीं करेंगे, चुपचाप बैठेंगे, काम करो और आगे बढ़ो. And that is so wrong. So let me summarize these 4 fears for you. That the 4 fears that plague many of us in the corporate world, professional world, entrepreneurship, academia, life, society, college, schools is one of the 4. I've bucketed them. The fear of being humiliated. कि मैं कुछ बोलूंगा, बेइज्जती हो जाएगी. Second, the fear of being rejected. कि मैं कुछ मांगूंगा, मिलेगा नहीं, फिर I'll feel bad, and that, that feeling of being rejected and losing is a bad feeling. 3, the fear of being punished and reprimanded. कि मैं कुछ बोलूंगा और मुझे ही punishment मिलेगा, मेरे को ही isolate कर देंगे, मेरे को ही punishment दे के खड़ा कर देंगे, and I don't like it. So the fear of being reprimanded and punished. And the fourth one, which I think is the highest, which I've started to see today, thanks to social media also, is the fear of being judged wrongly. And most important in that is fear of being judged as arrogant, bad attitude, bad person, and incompetent person. So if you are suffering from any one or more of these fears, you're not alone. I think it happens to everyone. And the more we talk about it, the better it is. So in all my classes, I ask my learners to visualize कि क्या डर किस चीज का है. या तो कोई हंस रहा होगा, या तो फिर रिजेक्शन होगा, या फिर कुछ पनिशमेंट मिलेगी, या फिर कुछ बैड जजमेंट हो जाएगा. तो put it in these buckets and then there is a path forward. So now let me tell you How do you cope with it? And I have 4 simple suggestions for you. Suggestion number 1, remember audiences की memory is very small, just like our memories. एक दिन में इतनी सारी चीजें होती हैं कि क्या क्या याद रखेंगे यार. सो लेट्स से यू मेक अ मिस्टेक, भूल गए आप अपना प्रेजेंटेशन, कुछ गलती हो गई, एंड दे लाफ, ऑडियंसेस लाफ. रिमेंबर दे लाफ बट दे वॉन्ट रिमेंबर, and that moment is gone, but the moment is registered in your memory because humiliation आपका हुआ है, audience को याद नहीं है. So this is one thing I request you to do, that the audience has no clue after the moment has passed. So liberate yourself कि चलो गलती हो गई, उनको याद नहीं रहेगा, move on. And that is a very big perspective change. Somebody taught me this and it's true, right, कि for me that memory is stuck here. बट उनसे अगर पूछो कि याद है आज से 10 दिन पहले राकेश का प्रेजेंटेशन प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, एंड ऑडियंस इज लाइक 10 दिन पहले मैंने क्या खाया था, क्या पहना था, मुझे ये याद नहीं है. हाउ वुड आई रिमेंबर राकेश का प्रेजेंटेशन में क्या हुआ था? सो इट्स अ लिबरेटिंग फीलिंग कि ऑडियंस को कुछ याद नहीं रहता. एंड 90% ऑफ आवर डेज इवेंट्स आर फ्लश्ड आउट द मोमेंट द डे इज ओवर. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नंबर 2, the fear of rejection can be overcome with just practicing that. चलो आज मैंने ना सुन लिया, I'll try again next time, कल फिर पूछ लूंगा. थोड़ी बहुत we have to practice this. थोड़ी बहुत ईगो को कंट्रोल करो. दिस कि मैं अपने हाथ की रेखा खुद लिखता हूँ is all movie dialogues. Go and ask again. अगर आज खराब हुआ है, not necessarily that Friday or next Friday will be bad. So ask again. Today you've lost a job, try one more job, try all over again. So rejection can be overcome only by practice and going through it multiple times and telling yourself कि ये तो रोज का रोना है. Number 3, how do you deal with fear of being punished? Please collaborate. Please have supporters in your office, your homes and outside. Mentors, a very big part of mentoring and mentors is exactly the same thing कि they will come and support you, they will help you when you need that, and जितना तुम isolated रहोगे उतना डरोगे. So have supporters, they'll stand with you when you need it and you'll feel better कि at least in this room there are 4-5 supporters, so I'll not be isolated, penalized and reprimanded. And the last is the judgment fear. There is only one way to resolve it. Please raise your self-esteem and your self-confidence. Please don't depend on someone else telling you how good you are. I think you should begin to respect yourself. So it starts with self-respect. It starts with eliminating your self-doubt. And it starts with telling yourself that, hey, I'm okay. And that feeling will help you move forward and you'll reduce the dependence on validation from the third person or the audiences. And that's where the ultimate nirvana of confidence comes and you'll become a great communicator. And on that note, these fears are real and talk about it, document it, comment in this comment section and share your fears. It will help someone else to express their fears, and the more we express, डर थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. So on that note, stay safe.